Hello students, this is Rupali Bangale, Assistant Professor IICMR MCA Department, and we are discussing about advanced internet technologies. Today, we will be discussing about the modules from Node.js. Whenever we are talking about the modules are nothing but the blocks of encapsulated code. This code may contain your functions, this code may contain your objects, the operations which are being performed on those objects. These modules may contain single or multiple files or folders. So in short, these modules are nothing but the packages which we discussed in our Java. So simply find out when we are talking about the modules, basically Node.js has categorized your modules into the three parts: the core modules, the local modules, and third-party modules. When we are talking about the core modules, these modules are nothing but the built-in packages or modules available with your node. So these are few of them. There are so many modules available with your node. We will be discussing those modules. We will be discussing those modules in detail. Then the local modules are nothing but the user-defined modules which you will be defining and importing within your code. And the last but not the least, the third-party module. These are the external module which we will be installing with the help of your NPM. Now, when we are talking about the core modules, those modules are nothing but the built-in modules coming along with the Node.js installation. When these core modules are being implemented, that time you will be having the require function. This require function will help you to implement or import the external modules into your system, into your code. To list a few of them, let's observe the path module. Path module will be dealing with the file path, the issues when we are when we want to have the CRUD operation on your file system. That time you can have the file system or FS module. When we want to have the external server created with the help of your Node.js, that time we can have the HTTP module. When we want to have the query string related issues, some operations on your query string, when you want to encode or decode it, that time you can have the query string module. So this is what here the core modules available, and again there are so many modules with which you can deal with. Now how to implement this core module? So of course this is how the require function being used, and now in this specific code we are implementing the file system module, and this module is being referred with the object fs. Now just observe this code will unlink. Unlink stands for your deleting the file. So this unlink operation can be implemented in your code. How come? Because we are importing those module in your system. So similarly, you can implement the HTTP, then you can create your own server. Similarly, you can implement the query string, then you can use the encoding or decoding operation. So these are nothing but the operations which are being already defined in your modules, and you are simply using those modules by implementing it in your code. So this is how you can implement your core module. So we will be discussing the code part within the session. Then just talk about the local modules. When we are talking about the local modules, these are the user-defined system or user-defined files which are being stored as JS1 with the extension JS1. Now just observe, let's assume I'm having a user.js where I have defined this names file or names object with the values Ram, Sham, and Sam. And I'm simply exporting those names with the module.exports. So these names can be used within the other file, let's say app.js, where I have simply imported the users.js file with the require module, and then you can simply print those names onto the command prompt. So this is how you can implement, and on executing the code you will be getting this as an output. So this is how you can execute the local modules also. Now we will be discussing about the third party module in the next session that will be helped or built up using the npm installation. That we'll be discussing in the next session. Thank you.